Good morning, Beverly Hills Elementary. I'm Owen Terry, your SCA secretary.
And I'm Alyssa Kelly, your SCA president, and this is the news for Monday, January 6, 2019.
Today's word of the day is majestic. Majestic means grand and so impressive it leaves you speechless.
We hope you all had a majestic holiday season, full of wonder and amazing things. Today was a big day in history. On this day in 1838, Samuel Morse's telegraph system is demonstrated for the first time.
This is also Joan of Arc's birthday. She was born in 1412 and lived only 19 years, but she would become a national hero of France for her role in the Hundred Years' War.
Again, we hope you had a great break.
And are rested and ready for some fun at school.
This is Alyssa Kelly
And Owen Terry. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day!